Well, it looks very nice and rosy right now. Kunal and Nooresh, good morning. But what should the strategy be, Kunal? You were discussing part of, you were listening to the part of discussion you were having.
So, most of the points which you said, the fear of losing profits, the fear that the momentum is a bit overbought, all of this should keep the markets at much more healthy levels. Because there is also, you don't look at the month of May or June, in terms of the price performance. You look at this in the context of the past 4-5 months. I was actually looking at a point where from, I think, October 2023, where the markets made a major bottom for themselves on a shorter term basis. From there on, there has hardly been any major month where the indices have actually closed negative. And I think this is the first month where you've seen a major round of volatility. But net, I think we should be closing at a positive side for the indices. So when you have such kind of a sharp or a decent trend for the indices over the last 6 to 8 months, broadly, I think we can just expect that the trend in the motion would probably continue for the indices. The best part about the market so far, which has been missing in the previous legs of uptrend, is participation of large cap names. And I think it's happening as more like a relay race because initially it was few large cap stocks on the IT pack which started to make a strong uptick. Then you had the banking stocks which made a very strong comeback. And yesterday was clear cut case where Reliance was one of the stronger performers. So when you have such kind of a stronger performance from large cap names, that generally adds to more sturdiness rather than imbalance to the market.
In fact, just a quick word, Anisha.
On JP Morgan Reliance.
Exactly, because he spoke about Reliance, we have to talk about it. This giant was sleeping for some time now, not coming to the party, but now doesn't want to miss out on the party which is going on from 2800 to 3000. There's a big upgrade which is coming, which will shortly flash on the channel as well. JP Morgan has upgraded the Reliance stock yesterday, but part of this rally, Anisha, honestly, I don't think market knew such a big upgrade is coming, but was about the telecom part of it. Telecom, tariff hike buzz.
But still a 4% move on Reliance is something
purely
to
from
watch
telecom,
out for.
yeah.
But interesting bit as far as Reliance is concerned.
I was going to say it's go big or go home. There are these moves that we see in Reliance Industries. But hi Nooresh, let's get in your take. Maybe not on Reliance Industries, but on the markets as a whole. And what is it that you're sensing? Expiry day, what the outlook is for the next series? What's in store for July?
So, like I've been mentioning, private banks are taking the lead, and we've seen that the private bank index itself is up 6-7% after that breakout. And then if that was not enough, you are waiting for Reliance Industries. That's also broken out into a new all-time high. So if you look at it, the Nifty looks like something which has moved up from the previous highs at 3-4 percentage point. But if you look at the stocks in the Nifty, majority of them are actually breaking out now or just 2% higher. The top two heavyweights, HDFC Bank, has not yet broken out. Reliance is just 5-10 points above the breakout point. So if you look at it that way, the structure on the index constituents is much more sideways and a breakout happening right now compared to the uptrending Nifty. So the view remains positive. Continue to keep a trailing stop loss and ride on. Keep looking at sectoral rotations and play the momentum.
Down to those individual stock recommendations then.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.